Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can simply take photo in Genshi Impact. I mean Genshin Impact, not Genshi Impact. So what you want to do is be here and just press escape or go to menu, and then you're gonna see here take photo. So click on it, and now I just zoom in, right? Nani? Enter, take photo, save. And this is pretty much how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye.